In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify with Loox. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type Loox and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. In the results, look for Loox Visual Product Reviews. Click it, then click the Install button and follow all of the prompts to complete the installation. When the app finishes installing, you'll be taken automatically to the Loox dashboard inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, you'll now see Loox listed. Click Loox and then click Manage Reviews underneath it. In the main area of the page, find and click the Import Reviews button. A set of options will appear showing where you can import reviews from. Choose AliExpress. Loox will now show you a special Import to Loox button that you need to drag into your browser's bookmarks bar. Click and drag that button up to your bookmarks bar and release it there. After you do that, a Go to AliExpress button will appear in Loox. Click it to open the AliExpress website in a new tab. On AliExpress, find the product whose reviews you want to import. Open that product page. Once you're on the actual product page, go to your browser's bookmarks bar and click the Import to Loox bookmark you just added. A Loox pop-up window will appear on the screen. In this pop-up, you'll see a drop-down next to Import To. Click that drop-down and choose the Shopify product you want these reviews to be linked to. This is important so the reviews appear on the correct product in your store. Next, choose how many reviews Loox should scan. You can usually pick between 20 or 100. Under rating, open the drop-down and choose whether you want to import all ratings, only 5-star reviews, or 4 stars and up, depending on your strategy. You'll also see a Reviews From drop-down. Here, you can decide whether to import reviews from all countries or limit them to specific countries. Right below that, you'll find the Translate option, where you pick the language you want the imported reviews to be translated into. Below these settings, there are a few checkboxes. You can choose to fetch only the most recent reviews, only reviews that include photos, and whether to import variant information. Select the options that best fit your store. When you're ready, click Preview and Import at the bottom right of the pop-up. Loox will now show you a preview of the reviews it found. Take a moment to scroll through them. For each review, you can decide to reject it or import it, so you keep only the ones that match your brand and quality standards. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Finish Import at the top right of the pop-up. When the import is complete, go back to your Shopify admin, open Loox, and return to the Manage Reviews section. There, you'll see all the AliExpress reviews you just imported, now attached to your chosen Shopify product and ready to display in your store.